Okay guys, I want to show you what we do. This is some specialty work. This is what you call custom paint at its finest. This black and white wheel is for this Camaro. Now you know Camaro's stock color is a silver grayish color. So the customer wanted the wheels in black and white. So what we did was we powder coated the wheels white. Then we came back and we painted the black. So we took it from gray, we powder coated the wheels white, then we came back, taped it up, and painted the black. This is a two-tone paint, two colors, and look at those lines. Look how straight they are. This is the type of quality that you get when you come to Houston Wheel Repair. You get factory finished work. Now that's for the Camaro. These are some 4Giottis. These wheels were a disaster when they came in. They were white and black. Everywhere where you see white, it was black, and wherever you see the red, it was white. So we powder coated the wheels white, we taped up all the white, and we dropped in the red. So look at the craftsmanship and the quality of that work. These are 4Giottis. So we specialize in custom painting wheels. And when we custom paint your wheels, they're not gonna look like some high school project where kids took some tape and spray paint. No, we do it the right way. We take the time to tape them up. Let me show you what it takes. This is on the menu today. We got trucks, we're getting wheels done here. We painted those motorcycle wheels blue. So let me show you, if I can, the tape work on these wheels. Maybe I can find one that's still taped up. Nope, they're all finished. They're getting ready to put the clear coat on. Here we go. Well, here's some of the tape here to keep the tape from going through to the pockets, but we also had to tape the face up. So the tape has been removed from the face. So this is just part of the process. But Houston Wheel Repair, this is what we do. We do a lot of custom work. These are the other two wheels where we've did the custom paint work. We fix wheels. These wheels have to be welded. This big, I don't know what this goes on, maybe a tractor, or I don't know what that wheel is for, but we fixed it, okay? These are all just different various wheels that need different work. We do motorcycle wheels, we do big gigantic wheels like over there, and you bring it to us, generally we can, wow. All these wheels are for process, for repair. These are all gonna be powder coated, either black or gray. These old school look like Chevy wheels, we're gonna make them like new. This is what we do, guys. We love what we do. We specialize in wheel repair. We have a Corvette over here. It looks as if we did some curb rash repair on the Corvette. It's a nice looking Corvette. It's a matte gray color, same color as my car, as a matter of fact. We got a Range Rover. We're doing a blackout package on the Range Rover. Notice how we tape up the truck, and all we're doing is the lettering. But we're going to drape this whole truck with plastic just to make sure it doesn't get any overspray. We're doing the brake calipers. We did the brake calipers here on the Camaro, brake calipers again, and notice the tape work. We're just only going to do the Range Rover in black, but we don't want overspray. So we're not done just yet, but we pay meticulous attention to detail. If you look at these brake calipers, they look as if it came from the factory pretty much. So pretty good work. We still got cleanup to do on them, but we still have the final process to clean up on those brake calipers. So HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294.